Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahimi bin Harun Shah from DKI 3A. So, I'm going to discuss about the topic that we have given for doing this assignment, such as application of differentiation. For this assignment, we are given the task from a composite-based company to design a water container for a certain purpose. So we have chosen one shape, which is rectangular base with cuboid.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arizikri bin Zairi from DKI 3A. For the introduction, finding the rate of change of a function at every given point is known as differentiation in mathematics. It is an empirical calculus tool with several real-world uses in finance. Finding a function's maximum and minimum values is one of the differentiation's main applications. We can determine the critical points where the function is either at maximum or minimum value by finding the derivative of a function and setting it to 0. Differentiation is used in optimization issues as well. In optimization, we try to determine a function's maximum or minimum value while keeping in mind several restrictions. We can optimize the function by determining the best values for the variable to satisfy the constraint. Based on this project, a composite-based company has given the task to us to design a water container for a certain purpose. The water container must be constructed in cuboid with rectangular base shape. We have chosen a cuboid with rectangular base shape with a volume of 10 meter cubic. To calculate and apply the differentiation method on this task, the volume of cuboid shape must be determined first. The formula of the volume for cuboid is 2 times 2x square height equals to 10 meter cubic. Other than that, the surface area for the cuboid shape also must be determined based on task, which is surface area equals to 2x height plus 2x height plus 2x. The material of the water container is polymer. To design the water container, the Kata software are used. For the objective is to apply the application of differentiation for calculating the volume and surface area of cuboid to make the most appropriate water container and design and draw using Kata.
So for the calculation, we choose the cuboid with rectangular base for our shape to design the water container. So we already set our own volume for the container, which is 10 meter cubic. So for the next calculation is the volume of container. The formula is x times 2x times h equal to 10 meter cubic. And then I simplify the formula into 2x square h equal to 10 meter cubic. And then I find h. The answer is h equal to 5x power of negative 2. And then the value of h, I substitute it into formula of surface area. After substitute the value of h into formula of surface area, I simplify the calculations and the final answer is 30x power of negative 1 plus 4x. Then I differentiate the final answer for surface area. dA over dx equal to negative 30x power of negative 2 plus 8x. And then the differentiate I equal to 0. The answer for the differentiate I equal it into 0. And then I simplify the calculation to find the value of x. And then the final answer for x is 1.55 meter. Then I substitute the value of x into the formula of 2x square h equal to 10, and then I find the value of h. The final answer is 2.07 meter for h. The next questions, the value of dA over dx, such as negative 30x square plus 8x, I did the second derivative from that equation. So the answer is 60x power of negative 3 plus 8. So from that equation, I simplify it into 60 over x power of 3 plus 8, and then I substitute the value of x into the equation, and the final answer is 24.11 is greater than 0. So lastly, the value of x is 1.55 meter and h equal to 2.07 meter. Will make the area a minimum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Zaman from Department DKI. In drawing in Katia, we made the height 2.07 meter and length 3.1 meter, width 1.55 meter. In material we use is polymer. In conclusion, as a conclusion for the assignment, we have mastered the art of calculation the total volume and surface area of cobalt sheet. We can determine from the calculation and its total volume is 10 3. We have got useful experiment coordination task for each member to do as a group task this assignment. By creating a secret for the task, we have also learned how to recognize our work so that it may be finished in the time. We have also able to make conclusion relate to volume and surface area of cobalt sheet. Based on the calculation that has been made, the selection total volume of spulus M3, the value for x that has been obtained is 1.55 meter, while the value of h is 2.07 m. When the value was entered into the formula 2x2h, which is the formula of volume for cobalt sheet, the answer is 10. We also discover various ways to research for a project. We will expose to finding different online from circles to improve the quality of our work. Apart from that, we managed to cooperate with each other harmonious and avoid miscommunication throughout the duration of the assignment. We learn to convert our idea effectively and clearly to each other. We'll also learn on how to use CATIA software to design the water container sheet as well. All in all, of various quality we able by complete this assignment, and we will glad that we complete in the group. We has mastered the art calculation to able to make calculation relate and value and surface area of cobalt sheet. Discover various ways to do research for a project.